Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa with VR controller. Put on your headset and pair your VR controllers via Steam VR before launching the game. Next, open Assetto Corsa and enable VR mode from the graphics menu, then set your preferred refresh rate and resolution. Calibrate controller bindings for throttle, brake, and steering, and test force feedback levels in a short practice session to confirm everything responds naturally. Start by mapping the essential controls: throttle, brake, steering, and handbrake to your VR controller inputs. Open the control mapping menu and assign triggers or buttons where they feel most ergonomic, then lock those bindings to avoid accidental changes. For button-heavy cars, create a secondary profile for pit and camera functions. Finally, run a short on-track session to refine dead zones and sensitivity, so your inputs feel smooth and predictable in VR. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more VR tutorials. It really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping that keeps floors spotless between practice sessions. It is perfect for busy sim racers who hate sweeping up after long runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Comfort and stable performance make or break a VR driving session, so start seated and secure your controllers with straps. Adjust graphics settings like render scale or super sampling to hit a solid frame rate that prevents stutter and motion sickness. Use motion smoothing or asynchronous reprojection if your GPU struggles, and tweak field of view to reduce tunnel effects. Take regular breaks, hydrate, and ease into longer sessions as your VR tolerance improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.